Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 65 Mustang Convertible. Drop dead gorgeous, beautiful on the bottom side, beautiful under the hood. This red paint is popping. We got great looking chrome, great looking grille. Just an amazing ride right here. I tell you what, Mustang convertibles are probably one of the most popular cars on the planet. This is one sweet ride right here, guys. Check out all that chrome, that red paint is popping. She is beautiful. We got great looking style steel wheels on it. That black stripe on the bottom's looking sweet. All the body gaps are in great shape. And of course, she's got black interior. Everybody knows that I think you gotta have black interior to have a muscle car. Doesn't it look sweet? Automatic car. We've got the simulated wood steering wheel, the rally pack. Everything's looking sweet. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of the car, go to our website at Vanguard Motor Sales. We're going to put it up on the lift. We're going to show you the bottom. We're going to show you pictures with the top up, with the top down. We're going to show you everything you need to see. Check out the chrome on the back end. I love how the exhaust comes out of the tail panel. Looking sweet. Got the GT gas cap on it. Looking down the passenger side, she's absolutely gorgeous. Now we're bringing in about 40 new cars a month, so we've always got new exciting inventory coming in. So feel free to give us a call anytime. We've always got new inventory coming in. Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. You can call him anytime you'd like about any one of the cars we have in inventory. Now we're on all the social media, especially YouTube, like you're watching right now. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button, and also hit that little bell so you get a notification every time we do a video just like this one. All right, it's beautiful, so we got to put the top down. Now this is an electric top, or I should say hydraulic ran by electric. Now it's got a switch right down here by your left knee. You hit that switch, and down goes the top, baby. Just that easy. Now let's go for a ride. All right, it's Mustang convertible time. It's a beautiful day to take a ride in a convertible. Except there's a semi-truck in front of us going real slow. Now he's got his flashers on. We're going around him. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this beauty anywhere in the world. So just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom can walk you through the whole process and just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now we do offer financing too, so if you need help with financing, we can take care of you there also. Tell you what, one of the most popular cars on the planet right now are these little Mustang convertibles. Everybody loves these babies, and to find one in this kind of condition is very rare. These cars were driven. Everybody loved these cars. They got handed down from father to son, mother to daughter, aunt to uncle, all the way down till there was nothing left of them. So to find one in nice shape, very, very rare. Now down here on the dash, you can see the speedo's working. It's got the stock radio in it, so if you'd like listening to music, I'd suggest getting one of those aftermarket radios you can hook up your phone to and everything. Very cool. Now we're going to put this car up in the air so you can see the bottom side. That is the most important part of a car. Got to have a good bottom. A lot of cars do a lot of work on the top sides, but they never do anything to the bottom. or they start with a crappy one to begin with. So we're gonna put it up in the air and we're gonna show you just how nice the bottom of the car is also. Now if you see Tom or I at a car show, come on up and say hi. Normally I'm down on all fours crawling around looking at the bottom of a car, but just stop by and say hi. We'd love to talk to you. Now we're coming up on our shop here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We got a whole team of mechanics that can do anything to a car you may want done. So if you want something added, just let us know. All right, we're underneath this Mustang now, and you can see there's a lot of new parts under here. Brand new tank, brand new exhaust. You see the bottom's been all primed out just like it was in the factory. Looking beautiful under here. 3.0 gear in the 8-inch rear end here. It is an open rear end. That means one wheel peel, guys. We got, looks like brand new shocks on it. Stock appearing mufflers. Looks like they welded everything up too, along with the clamps. You can see these floorboards are beautiful under here, looking sweet. Frame looks great. These frame members up here, you guys know, normally these are all crushed all to hell from all the years. These frame members look great. It's got a crossover tube in it. It's got a 67 model C4, which is period correct. Trans lines look like they're new. Steering gears, the guys check all that out. Lower control arms look like they're new. Upper control arms look new. Spindles are all cleaned up, looking good. We got a sway bar that looks like it's brand new. Looks like the fuel pump's brand new. Radius arm bushings are in decent shape. It does have disc brakes up front. These are SSBC, so that's an aftermarket setup. They look stock. We've got style steel wheels here with some Firestone tires, and these are 195/75 14s. You can see the paint work down to the bottom edge is nice. The pinch weld looks good. I mean, on a convertible, that's an amazing looking pinch weld. She's gorgeous. Out back here, looks like 195/75 14s, and see these location holes? That tells you that those are original quarters. The inner wheelhouse is all clean. She's a beauty, guys. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a good looking painted up motor. We got Ford Moco hoses. Looks like we got manual brakes and power steering. It is a 67 model motor. Looks like the distributor cap's new, and it looks like that whole distributor is stock appearing. Looking sweet. It does look like it's got points in it, and we see one wire coming out of the distributor. Very, very cool. Air cleaner's all painted up nice, looking good. It's got a Ford Moco battery in it. Looks like it's a Ford radiator in it also. Everything under here is looking sweet, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sale park one of these in your driveway.